Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rum gummy bears. First, gather your favorite gummy bears and a bottle of rum. Place the gummies in a shallow, airtight container. Pour enough rum over them to fully submerge every piece. This initial soak is crucial for infusing the flavor. Make sure the container is sealed tightly to prevent evaporation and keep everything fresh. For the best results, let your gummy bears soak for at least 24 hours and up to 48 hours. During this time, you'll notice them plumping up significantly as they absorb the rum. The longer they soak, the more potent and flavorful they will become. Gently stir them once or twice during the process to ensure even absorption. Patience is key for these delicious treats. Once your rum gummy bears are ready, serve them chilled for the best experience. The cool temperature enhances their texture and flavor. If you have any leftovers, which is unlikely, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will stay fresh for several days, but remember, they are best enjoyed soon after soaking for peak deliciousness. It's important to remember that these rum gummy bears contain alcohol and are strictly for adults. Please keep them clearly labeled and stored safely out of reach of children. Enjoy them responsibly. Also, for those looking to streamline their kitchen, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. They're perfect for meal prep and keeping your food fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.